In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling meetings and managing your availability. Whether you're a professional coordinating with clients or a team member collaborating with colleagues, keeping your profile up to date is essential. One important detail in your profile is your name. It's how others identify you on shared links and invitations. If you need to update your name in Calendly, whether it's to reflect a new role, a preferred name, or any personal change, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get it done. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. It's typically a small circular image or placeholder that represents your account. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Profile. This is your access point to make changes to your personal details, including your name. Choosing this option will take you to the Personal Profile Settings page where all your key account details are displayed. Now, on the Personal Profile Settings page, locate the name field. This is the area where your current name is displayed. Simply click into the field, erase the existing text if needed, and type in your desired name. When you're updating your name, make sure it reflects how you want to present yourself to others, whether that's clients, colleagues, or collaborators. This is an important detail since it's directly visible on the links and invites you send out. Once you've entered your new name, scroll down the page. Keep an eye out for the Save Changes button. It's usually toward the bottom of the settings page. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This step is absolutely crucial because if you leave the page without saving, all the changes you just made will be lost. After saving, it's a good idea to verify that your update has been applied correctly. You can do this by logging out of your Calendly account and logging back in to double-check how your name appears. Alternatively, you can ask a colleague or a client to confirm how your updated name is displayed on shared links or invitations. This ensures that everything is working as expected and that the changes you made are visible to others. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name on Calendly. So now you know exactly how to change your name in your Calendly account and ensure everything looks polished and professional. If you have any questions about this process or want to see tutorials on other Calendly features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.